Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile band account. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile band account, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about FIFA mobile. Then in this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear clear cache, but be attention, don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of issues or problems on your phone or on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.